So are all these ships instead of sailing for Rio?
Uh-huh.
At least you won't get seasick.
Oh, I don't know about that.
What do you mean?
Sometimes I can get quite wobbly just sitting right here.
You have to make a round window to the outside. Then you'll feel like you're in a real ship.
Did you really read all those books, or is it just to make an impression?
Uh-huh.
Yes, you read them, or yes, you're trying to make an impression?
Yes. I've read them.
I feel sorry for the books up there.
Oh. Why do you feel sorry for them? Where would you put them?
I don't know, they're your fucking books, Buster.